Welcome to Eschmann Little Sister. Today I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your SES113 and SES225 series autoclaves. There are a number of reasons why you might need to change the date and time on your autoclave. First of all, twice a year we put the clocks forward or back an hour to change with the seasons. Secondly, it's very important that the date and time that's being recorded on your cycle logs reflects the actual date and time when you're running your cycles. And thirdly, our technical support team may occasionally ask you to change the date and time to assist with problem solving. So how do you do it? It's really easy. I'm going to take you through it step by step. Open the control panel door and press the tick and the down arrow and then the tick again to enter the settings menu. Now, to enter the date and time menu, press the tick again and the date and time are displayed on the screen. We'll use the arrow keys to navigate through the date and time. The time is displayed at the top and the date beneath. Use the up and down arrows to change the numeric value of the time and then when you've reached the correct hours figure, use the right arrow to move to the minutes. Again, adjust the minutes to the correct time and then move with the right arrow down to the day. Use the up and down arrows to select the correct day and again move with the right arrow to the month and then to the year. Press the tick to return to the main menu and then the back arrow twice to reset the unit. And that's it. We hope this guide has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the Eschmann Little Sister YouTube channel for more guides and tips, and contact us if you need further help or advice.